Hello, this is Dinesh Sharma. Today in this video I am going to share a particular technique for meditation which is really very helpful, and I have been practicing this technique for a long time. I hope after watching this video you will also try this technique and get benefited. So before we start, there are three basic things which we must understand. First is you all know that our mind only work on one particular thing at a time. It cannot work simultaneously on very different things. Nowadays we are talking about multitasking, but the fact is mind cannot work on two different tasks on the same time. It may be fluctuating from one task to the other, but at a time it will be working on one thing. So in case of meditation also we can use this particular fact. If we apply our mind on one particular thing and forcefully keep the mind on that particular thing, then it is not going to fluctuate somewhere else in other kind of thoughts. So that is what is called dharana in terms of yoga. Another thing which we also need to understand is our mind, our thoughts are related to our breathing pattern. If we are angry, our breath will be very fast. If we are relaxed, the breathing pattern will be slow. So breath is also very important and related to how we are thinking. The breath which we take in is called, in terms of yoga, it is called prana, and the breath which we take out, it is called apana. And the point where both of these type of breath, the outgoing breath and the incoming breath met, it is called Dwadashant point. So inside, when I take the breath in, and the point where it stops, and from that particular point it turns out and becomes the apana, then that point is called internal Dwadashant point. And similarly the breath which goes out, and then from the point where it is turning back to the pranavayu, that particular point is called external Dwadashant point. Now in this particular technique we would be concentrating our focus on either internal Dwadashant point or external Dwadashant, or you may focus on both of these two, but I like to focus on the internal point because that is what I have been practicing since long, and it really helped me. So first of all, we will sit on a comfortable position and wear comfortable loose clothes. It should not be very tight clothes, and if you are wearing specs like me, you can remove that. Be comfortable and sit erect, but keep the body relaxed. And hand positions, there are different hand positions used in yoga and meditation. This is called Dhyana Mudra. You can use this also. Otherwise I use this cross hand position, which is really helpful for me. You can try this also. We'll keep it like this on the left, and then close the eyes and take 2-3 deep breaths and try to relax your body along with those deep breaths. I'll tell you during doing this thing how I am doing, so that you know exactly what is being done. So I take a deep breath and relax my body simultaneously. Take out. Another deep breath and relax the body. Another deep breath and relax the body completely. Now I will not try to regulate the breath. I will let the breath come and go as natural as it is. Only thing, I will focus completely on the turning point inside after taking the breath, on the particular point where it stops and turns back and becomes a exhaling breath. I will focus on that particular point So I take a breath. It stops on that particular point. We call it Dwada Shant point, and from that it is exhaled back. Now I have only shown you, that's why I taken the breath forcefully. But while doing this meditation, we will not regulate the breath. We will let the breath be natural. Only try to focus on that particular point. Now I am going into the meditation. By practicing this technique for a long time, the breath becomes subtle and thin, and the inhaling and exhaling breaths become one after a long practice, and slowly the breath is coming to a point where it is almost still, and the thoughts are completely silent. In the beginning, you can start with 15 or 20 minutes. You can put a countdown timer in your mobile, and when the timer goes off, you will lift the hands and rub the palms with each other and on your eyes and feel the warmth. Keep it here for some time and try to see the colors which you find when you keep these palms on your eyes, and enjoy that color for some time, and then slowly open your eyes. Thank the God. I hope you must have now understood this technique completely and will definitely perform this technique. You can share your experience in the comment box, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please don't forget to share. Thank you so much.